Vanakkam, Sasikumar talks. In this video, I am going to talk about Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is a desktop publishing and a design software from Adobe. If you want to create a presentation, a good document, maybe a brochure, poster, leaflets, pamphlets, newspaper, magazines, books, e-books, whatever it may be. If you want to make it, if you want to create all this, you can use Adobe InDesign. After a short gap, recently I used that. It is very comfortable, it is very simple and easy to use. It has used the concepts of Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, particularly the layer concepts, the pen tools and other tools. If you know this Photoshop, Illustrator and all, you can better do with Adobe InDesign. The file format is INDD or INDT, InDesign document, InDesign template. You can save it in that format and you can export it as PDF or JPEG, PNG and other formats are there. Easily you can use Adobe InDesign. Just click on the text icon, drag it and you can see the text box, and you can just place the images and you can right click it and edit it in the Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and directly it will be updated in your brochure, InDesign document. You can even make interactive PDF with Adobe InDesign. Some of you may worry about the cost of Adobe InDesign. I tell you, the entire Adobe softwares, which comprises almost 20 softwares from Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Adobe XD, everything combinedly cost 1600 per month. So Adobe InDesign is one of the software provided by Adobe. It's a very good software. It's easy to use software for designing all these kind of documents. Whether you need a digital document or a print document, or you want to create a book, you can do it with Adobe InDesign. Lot of InDesign tutorials available on the internet, on the YouTube, and you can even use the official Adobe tutorial which you can see in the Adobe Design dashboard with a bulb icon on the top of the dashboard. In our company, I used Adobe InDesign for making proposals, quotations and other important documents and presentations for the meetings. To create such a beautiful and eye-catching documents, PDF, for the brochure, flyers, creatives, my best wishes for that. Thank you very much. This is Sasikumar Talks.